Bro, don't make him stick your head up.
What's up, guys? Hala. Ang laki ng ano nito. Ang laki ng ano nila dito, yung
Hold on to it there.
ang laki ng pato. Ang laki ng pato. Oh, tingnan mo. Hala.
Wait.
Ang laki ng pato. Ito yung picture to. Hala, nakanganga. Doon kay mamaya na yung doon sa maliliit.
You went from
Laki ng
all the way
pato,
over
oh.
there to all the way over here. So now you won't do it. Yeah.
Hala, tingnan
You
mo.
gotta hold it tight.
Ang laki ng pato, tingnan mo.
There you go. Oh, bro.
Stop.
Bro, go closer. You gotta go closer.
Kagatin ka niyan.
No, they're not. Hey, you're making them spill it everywhere. You're supposed to put it through so they don't hit their head.
Laki ng pato, oh. Ang laki ng pato nila dito. Ayun, ang laki ng pato. Ayun, oh. Pato daw, pato. What's up, bro? Wala, tingnan mo. Laki ng ostrich, no? Naninipa daw to, eh. Daming ostrich, oh. Ito. Oh. Ina. Oh.
Yo, chill, bro. Chill, bro.
Hala.
I got a bunch of chicks trying to go after me.
Ano to, pato?
Okay, chill. Y'all are fat, bro.
Laki ng pato, eh. Hala.
Hurry.
Hala.
Where do they come?
Mabalo.
Yo, chill.
Bro, why'd you step on my shoes?
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Hala. Laki. Daming pato, oh.
Go, bro. They want the food. They want the food.
Hala. Oh, they're so hungry. Oh.
Okay,
Sige. Hala.
Oh my god, you're almost out.
Laki ng pato nila dito. Oh. Oh. What's up, bro? Laki ng pato nila dito.